In the heart of the shimmering blue sea, there exists a kingdom unseen by human eyes. This is the vibrant underwater kingdom of Coral Cove, home to our adventurous mermaid, Lily. With flowing hair as blue as the ocean and eyes that sparkle like emeralds, Lily's curiosity takes her to every corner of her aquatic home. One day, her explorations lead her to a mysterious cave, where a pearl glows with an enchanting light. As Lily reached out to the pearl, a voice echoed through the chamber, leading to her first meeting with the wise sea turtle Oceus. From the shadows emerged a wise old sea turtle. His name was Oceus, the guardian of the ocean's secrets. With a voice as deep as the ocean itself, he addressed Lily, the intruder in his domain. His words, however, carried no malice, but a tone of gentle wisdom. "Fear not, young one, you have a pure heart, and your curiosity has led you to me." Lily's emerald eyes sparkled with curiosity and a touch of awe. "Who are you?" she asked. "I am Oceus, the guardian of the ocean's secrets," the sea turtle replied, his words echoing through the chamber. He spoke of an ancient magic that had been disturbed, causing imbalance in the ocean. The only way to restore harmony was to embark on a journey to find the lost treasures of the sea and return them to their rightful place. Lily, with her heart of gold and spirit of adventure, did not hesitate. She pledged to help restore balance to the ocean, ready to face the challenges ahead. With Oceus as her guide, Lily set out on an epic adventure across the vast ocean, ready to face whatever challenges came her way. Together, Lily and Oceus embarked on their grand journey, meeting various creatures and confronting numerous challenges. They navigated through swirling whirlpools, braved the undercurrents of the abyss, and solved riddles etched in the sand by the ancient merfolk. Each treasure they discovered was a testament to their bravery, their wisdom, and their unyielding determination. They encountered the elusive starfish of serenity buried in an underwater sand dune. They braved the Cave of Echoes to retrieve the coral crown of courage hidden among the stalactites. And in the depths of the Mariana Trench they found the scepter of strength guarded by a colossal squid. Yet their greatest challenge lay ahead. The Pearl of Harmony, the most powerful treasure of all, was hidden in the heart of the ocean. As they approached, the ocean's heart pulsated with a mesmerizing glow, casting dancing shadows and lights around them. Lily, filled with awe and determination, reached out to the pearl. As she touched it, a wave of magic washed over her, filling her with a profound sense of peace and joy. She felt a connection with the ocean like never before, her heart beating in harmony with its rhythm. With the Pearl of Harmony returned to its rightful place, Lily had not only restored balance to the ocean, but also found a new sense of peace and joy within herself. Her journey was a testament to her courage, her selflessness, and her unwavering spirit of adventure. Returning to Coral Cove, Lily and Oceus were hailed as heroes. The ocean's vibrant colors seemed more radiant, its inhabitants filled with joy. A grand celebration ensued, honoring the courageous mermaid and the wise sea turtle for restoring harmony. Lily's adventure had gifted her with newfound wisdom and a bond with Oceus that was unbreakable. And so, Lily's adventure may have ended, but her bravery, selflessness, and spirit of exploration will forever live on in the hearts of all who knew her.